What do you get when you pair an iconic home makeover duo with two of America's most famous chefs? A face-off unlike anything other. I'm your host, Dave Franco, and this is Celebrity Chef Match. Two teams are going head-to-head to create a perfectly budgeted yet over-the-top luncheon. Let's meet our teams. On one team, we have fixer-upper star Joanna Gaines and Food Network personality Guy Fieri. Those two seem to be working great together. On the other team, we have Joanna's husband Chip and the one and only Gordon Ramsay. Which team's going to come out on top? We'll find out after this. While we were on break, temper started flaring.
Do not have pan sauce in America. Flavor down! Do you even know how to flip a burger? Rubbish! Rubbish!
So, you know how I'm on game show, right?
Chip, this is a different show. There's no demo day. And don't be jealous of Guy, okay? Gosh, Guy, that's the best I've ever had.
That's it! That's not a mouth!